Clean your phone memory fast. Hello and welcome back. I'm ERIC NIZEYIMANA, your digital skills trainer. Today we'll learn a powerful trick: how to clean your phone memory using an app called Files by Google. Let's dive in. Is your phone always saying storage full? No space for photos, apps, or WhatsApp? Don't worry, we'll fix that today. Step 1. Open Play Store on your Android phone. In the search bar, type Files by Google. Step 2. Download and install the app. It's free, light, and safe. It looks like this. Step 3. Open the app. You'll see different sections like junk files, large files, duplicate files, and WhatsApp media. Step 4. Tap the Clean button under Junk Files. These are files your phone no longer needs. Step 5. Scroll down and delete old WhatsApp photos, videos, and voice notes that take space. Step 6. Use the app to remove duplicate files and very large files that slow down your phone. Boom! Your phone is now faster and has more space. Extra tip: clean your phone once a week using this app to keep it fast and light. You can even share files without internet using this app. Recap: download Files by Google. Open and clean. Junk files, delete old WhatsApp media. Remove large or duplicate files. Do this every week. You just became smarter with your phone. Thanks for learning with ERIC NIZEYIMANA, your digital guide in the village. Call or WhatsApp 0799395017 to join our free tech lessons.